I decided to make this video because I got a call from some renovator, and it happens once in a blue moon. I mean, quite often lately that the renovators call me trying to get me to do jobs for them, and there's a reason I do not want to work for renovators. In my opinion, 19 out of 20 of them are good for nothing for a bunch of different reasons. So I decided to make a video instead of going through the process. I'm a pretty polite guy, so instead of explaining it to them over and over again, and I decided to make a video and you know, send them the link if they still want to watch it. Why I do not want to work for them. That's probably way better. Why don't I want to work for any renovators? Well, very simple. In a nutshell, those guys are too cheap. Let me repeat this. They're too cheap, too chaotic, too messy, too unprofessional, too disorganized, and most of them, they have no clue what they do. They have no clue what they're doing while on the job because they've got no professional experience. They've got no professional background. Most of them, like I said, 19 out of 20, they have no ticket in any area, no technical background. They do not even understand the basics of what they are trying to do. Their basic modus operandi is to keep calling contractors and try to find the one who wants to work at the cheapest price. And that's basically it. But they do not even know what the poor guy is doing, whether he is a plumber or an electrician, etc. They have no clue what this guy is doing. The only measuring stick is the price. They want to find someone who is dumb enough to find, to work at below market rate. Because they get themselves usually in in trouble by getting the jobs at all cost at the low price, and then they try to make money without even running any kind of budget on the job. So then they try to find someone who is dumb enough. And I'm sorry, I'm not going to work for you. And I'm speaking to any one of the contractors or renovators who just contacted me and is watching this, because I have no trust in you. I know there's very few good people as renovators, but what is it? I met few of them, 1 in 20, and I do not know which one of you it is. So why take the risk? I've got not much to gain. And by the way, the renovators, most of you want to pay for tradesmen like a plumber. You want to pay here in Canada $40 or less than $40 per hour at this time. This is the late 2022. And you know what? People without any skills, absolutely any skills, any preparation, working for utility companies, they get paid $40 and more per hour. And those people have no tickets, no common sense, quite often are on drugs, on crack cocaine, or on marijuana all the time, and they get paid $40 for doing, just let's say, shoving soil from left to right or raking, etc. And you want to pay a plumber with his skill, experience, and tools. You do not even want to pay as much as unskilled worker working for any utility company. Sorry, it's not gonna happen. Go and do the job yourself. How about that? Goodbye.